So what I'm going to use now is I'm going to use the pre-shave oil, which you can see here, and I'm literally going to take off the towel. Nice and slowly. You only need like a 2-pence piece bit. Rub it into your hands and then just massage it into the cheeks, chin, upper lip area. Just so it covers all the facial hair where you'll be shaving. Because that is pretty much a barrier for the skin. So you are less likely to cut people. Now the fun and the messy part, the shaving. So I'm literally just going to lather up Amin's face. Now when it comes to the moustache, what I'll do is I'll put 3 or 4 fingers, so it almost turns into a pencil. I'll get you to just cup your lips slightly. And I can literally, instead of getting his lips all, unlike Joe, just on there. Amin has a really small top lip. But it saves covering your customer at the time. There we go. So now we make a start. Let me just wipe my hands. We make a start on the shaving, so what I do is I'll put his head into position. I'll come across from this side and I'll shave down. Just stretching that skin out. Make sure that skin is taut at all times, just because you don't want it to be not taut, because then you're more likely to cut people. And you can always use their ear as well. Just lean on the red to pull that back slightly, just to stretch just that skin just around there. I always come down on the face as well. I never shave up or against the grain, only because I don't think you need to if you're doing it. If you're doing it well enough, you don't need to. When I do my job, I do genuinely find this one of the most relaxing things. Does it feel relaxing for you? Does it feel weird having this done?
No, I like it.
Yeah? Reheat the wet towel. I'm just going to go over one more time just to make sure everything's in perfect. For a minute or two, firmly pressing in all the places where I'm going to reshave over, just to make sure all the pores are open and this goes a lot smoother. It's not like a hard shave or a rough shave. It should be, when you do a Turkish shave, it should be really smooth. Literally the hair should just glide and fall off. And this is why we do this whole process at the start to finish. So everything's, it's more of a, I mean, anyone can go home and they can get a Bic razor and they can Bic their face. That's no issue, but having a nice treatment come into a barber shop and having that half an hour to an hour of real nice Turkish shave, massage, the lot, just proper treating yourself. It's nice. Everyone needs it every now and again.
No, I'm not a writer.
Okay.
with the ultimate pre-shave oil for real men, from Bluebeard's Revenge. See, my hands are very wheelie. I'm gonna massage this into the face. I feel weird talking when I do this, because when I usually do a Turkish shave, because I talk all the time, it's nice to just shut up and be silent. And actually the client enjoyed me being silent. So I find it just a little bit weird trying to do the tutorial and explain. So if I go quiet, I do apologise. It's just that I'm actually enjoying myself.
The moves for those who
So what I'll do, just because I can with my Bluebeard Shavette, usually on the second shave I'll change the blade again. Not because it's hygienic or anything, just because it's already had one shave on it. You don't want it to feel like it's blunt, so I just like to put a new blade in. That is literally each their own opinion, to be fair. Some people do, some people don't. This might be the right way of shaving, this might be the completely wrong way of shaving. But this is how I shave and this is how I've been taught to shave. So again, coming from the side, stretching that skin.
yeah, no, no, yeah, no, no,
So I can hear, I don't know if you guys can hear, but it is picking up the slightest bit of hair. Not a lot, but it's picking up the slightest bit of hair. That bit pinch.
Ticklish.
Sorry?
Ticklish.
Ticklish. I've done that second shave, just go over it, I'll get a fresh towel. I've wiped everything I want on. And I shall literally wipe Aman's face. And then what I tend to do is, this sounds really weird before, I don't know if people do this. I get the wet towel, what I've used before, wet the face again slightly. I use a tea tree face wash after. It's a cream. Because what that should do is just, if there is any itching or anything like that, it just completely stops it. Obviously it cleans the face afterwards. So I just massage this into the face again. Does this feel weird, the tea tree?
Oh, that's nice. It smells good as well.
Yeah. With the wet towel, literally and then for the last bit, some people like this, some people absolutely hate this. This is Mr. Fine's fresh classic aftershave. Because I don't think no traditional Turkish shave is finished off without a cheeky bit of aftershave on them. Do that again. Oh shit. Alright, hang on. Let me go on, Emma. I'll send it to you there. Right guys, so this is Aman after his lovely Turkish shave. Feeling fresh, feeling good, feeling pampered. And it feels smooth as a baby's bum. Guys, thank you for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you have taken something from it. And leave a comment, let me know what you think of it, if I could do anything better, if I could do anything worse. Just feel free to subscribe and just enjoy it. Merry Christmas everyone.
Merry Christmas guys.
Thank you.